What's up, creators? I just decided to hop in and tell you a bit about the content within the Edit-Like LUT Pack. Now, this LUT Pack, as you may know, is created from the presets that we create in the Edit-Like series. So if we continue to analyze and break down new styles, I'll create a preset and their corresponding LUT. Now, all these LUTs have been optimized for video, so you're not going to see any banding or any chromatic aberration or anything like that, guys. But I have to say that these LUTs may not be the same as the creators, some of these creators use in their videos, just because these ones are based on their edits in their photos. So you have to keep that in mind. Now, some of these edits, as you can see, are quite harsh or quite strong. And that's because, well, they come from the raw files that we edited in Lightroom into Premiere Pro or into your editing software for video. And one of the advantages of color grading video is that we can adjust the intensity of the filter, or in this case the LUT, will it be in Final Cut, will it be DaVinci or Premiere Pro. You can always adjust the intensity in comparison to presets where we can't adjust, we don't have that slider to adjust the presets just yet. But I use them every single day on my tutorials. Maybe you've noticed that some of my tutorials, this image that we have right here, have a very stylized look. And the way I can achieve that is using this Edit-Like LUT Pack. So right here I have a tutorial that I'm working on, and the first thing I do is correct the log footage. Now you can do it manually. I already made a tutorial on how to correct log footage, or you can just apply a conversion LUT. In this case I have my Sony utility LUT Pack over here, and with one click I can correct it. Then in the creative tab, you can see that I have already loaded up the Edit-Like LUT Pack, and what I like to do normally is apply maybe the Source style. And as you can see, this LUT is very strong in the edit. We have a very unexposed image with a lot of desaturation. So what I want to do is just bring down the intensity around to the 50%. And now it's more realistic, but it's a very stylized look. You can see the before and after by clicking this on and off. And this one I use a lot in my tutorials. Another one that I use is the old Monaris preset that we did way back in 2020. And as you can see, this style is very purple because that was her style at the time. So I always like to bring it down around the 40% just to have that nice tint, purple tint in the shadows, and that nice contrast that she has. And the other one that I use mostly in tutorials where I want to have a more natural or a bit more warmish environment is using Daniela Pardo style. As you can see, Daniela Pardo style is a very brownish tint. So what I like to do is just bring it down all the way down to the 35s. And therefore our image has a very nice brownish tint in the highlights, shadows and midtones, but still it's a bit more natural, just gives that warmish vibe. So guys, that's how I use the Edit-Like LUT Pack. I just wanted to show you the content within it because a lot of people have been asking about previews about this LUT Pack. So I just wanted to show you a quick video on the content, but also how I apply these LUTs in my tutorials. Now for cinematic shots, I normally leave the saturation at 100 or even bump it up all the way up to 200. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. The next one is going to be a tutorial, but yeah, that's the video for today.